Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. As you will have seen from the title, today I have got a PR package from YAYOGE. I've got some polygels and some other little knickknacks to test out. This is my first time trying any of YAYOGE's products, so I'm definitely very curious to see what they're like. I've heard good things about their stuff. But basically what I've got here today is a full-on polygel kit. So I want to crack on and dive in, and I hope you all enjoy. So I am just going to go through everything one by one first and show you everything that I've got in this little kit. This is one of the things I'm most excited about. This is a Sun Mini UV LED nail lamp. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time now. It's just really ideal for travelling, or if I'm doing my nails not at my desk or whatever. It's just so diddy. It also runs off USB, so it's a really handy little thing to have. So I have actually already tested this out only the other day, so it's a little bit mucky already because I'm a mucky pup, but it's just a cute little lamp like that. I've got it in pink. I think it is available in different colours, but they sent me one in pink. And then you've got the little legs on it that stand up just like that, so it sort of pops on like that. So you've got, it's a micro USB connector, and that's also the button to power it. We've got 6 LEDs on there. So apparently it is a 6-watt maximum lamp. It's available in white, black, pink, light green. I'm not too sure what colour that one is. We've got yellow, orange, rose red and gold. So it's good variation in colours as well. I would have really liked the rose red one, I think. But obviously it don't matter what colour it is anyway. But it's a nice little touch to be able to choose your colour. But like I said, it's a 6-watt lamp. So it does also come with a USB lead that's got a decent amount of length on it. Okay, so they've plugged the lead into the wall, and then you've got the connector like this. That simply goes in like that, and then ta-da! And it definitely works really well as well. Like I said, I have used it and I had no problems. There was no wrinkling or anything from it not being powerful enough. It worked really well, and I'm really happy with this. So then the other bits I've got in the kit, I've got this 100/180 grit file. It feels like a good quality file. It's a file, I'm sure it works well, but it's always handy to get one of these in the kit. I have got the YAYOGE Polygel brush. So you get your little spatula to get your polygel out of this tube nice and cleanly. And then on the other end you have got your actual brush for using with your polygel. They have also sent me 2 other brushes that look absolutely identical. These would definitely be good for polygel or builder gel as well. But yeah, they're just 2 cute little brushes. I like the fact they've got the little pebble tip on them. I think that's cute. But yeah, always need more of these brushes, so I'm happy about that. They have also sent me another cuticle pusher. You've got the little bladey thing on the end there. These are always helpful. This is like a must-have in every single nail tech's collection. We have got a base coat. This is a 10ml bottle. It says it's a non-acid base coat for use with UV gel and UV acrylic. It looks like it's a nice consistency. It's not too thick. I'm going to test that out and see how it is in a moment. And then they've also sent me a non-wipe top coat as well, which I'm really happy with. It says it's a mirror glass finish, which is cool. And again, in a 10ml bottle. Okay, so that one's definitely quite a bit thicker than the base coat. But we'll put that to a test. We'll see what it's like. I've never tried their top coat either before, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that one out and seeing how it performs. We have got some polygel slip solution. It smells really nice actually, but it's a 45ml bottle. It doesn't say any ingredients or anything on it, so I'm not too sure what slip solutions are made out of, but they're a bit more pleasant to use. Like I normally use IPA, but obviously IPA has quite a strong smell to it, so I do really like slip solution because it's just a much more pleasant smell. They also had a bit of a disaster here. I got sent a pack of jewel forms from them as well, and as I tried to remove them from the packaging, the whole packet come open and they're now all mixed up in the bottom. But there was 10 different sizes, and I'm not going to take them out right now because I actually only done my nails last night anyway, so I'm not going to test out jewel forms today, but I will test them out in future anyway. But they all look good. There's 10 different sizes. I've had a feel of them. They feel like good quality jewel forms. But yeah, I'll give them a test and get back to you in a future video of how they are. but I'm going to have to sit there and go through them all and put them all back into sizes now. And then lastly, we have got 3 tubes of polygel. These are all 30ml size, which I really like. I hate those tiny little ones, they just don't go very far. So I'm really happy that they sent me some 30ml ones. These are all glitter polygels. We've got 04, 08 and 07. And yes, I'll be testing these out in the moment as well and having a look, see how they are consistency wise, how easy they are to work with, and also what they look like as well. So I'm going to crack on now. I'm going to open all these up and we're going to have a play and see how they all perform. Okay then, so that is my Swatch Sticks base coated. I never really have a huge amount to say about base coat. All I can say is it has cured absolutely fine and the consistency is really good. I do really like consistency because it's not too thick. And yeah, I'm happy. So now time to go onto the polygel side of things. I've just got my dampen dish out here. I'm just going to whack a little bit of slip solution in there. I'm going to test out this brush first, and then I'm also going to try out one of the white ones as well and just see what they're like as a polygel brush. So then onto the exciting part. I'm going to go in with this polygel first, which is 04. Oh, this is a red glittery one. I was really excited about this one because I absolutely love red. Okay, so I've just really struggled to get that out of the tube, but I think more just because it's cold. I did just sit in some warm water for a couple of minutes, but I don't think it was quite enough. But I'm just going to go in with my slip solution. So grab a lint-free cloth. It's hella stiff, but like I said, I think that's just because it's cold. But I actually prefer the stiffer polygels anyhow. Yeah, I think I need to put that tube and the other ones actually in the warm water for a little while. That's actually the stiffest polygel I've ever used, but I'm pretty certain it's just because it's cold. There we go. I'm going to whack that in the lamp and I'm going to let the others warm up a bit, and I'm going to put a bit more on this one as well. Okay, so the red one was very pretty. I'm just going to go in now with 07. This looks like it's going to be a blue sparkly one. Wow, they are so difficult to get out of the tube, even though I've had them in warm water for like a good 10 minutes now. But it is brutally cold here at the moment, so I'm totally not surprised. Yes, it's a blue sparkles. It's definitely a bit better now. It is slightly warmed up. As you can see, I'm sort of moving that over a bit easier. I'm definitely going to need to put a bit more on this in a minute. I had a bad habit of putting way too much polygel on, so I sort of try and do it a bit sort of sparingly now, but then I end up just doing too little. But I suppose at least for doing too little, you can always add more. Otherwise, if you do too much, once it's out of the tube, it's out of the tube, isn't it? You can't exactly put it back in. So yeah, I'll just cure that and I'll give that another layer. Okay, so finally we've got 08. I'm not too sure what colour this one. Ooh, this looks interesting. So it's like a pink with an iridescent glitter in it. And obviously this one being the last one, it's been sat in the cup of warm water for longer than the rest of them, and that's just come out beautifully. So let's go in. Oh yeah, so much better. So yeah, they're just cold. That's how it is with polygel. Like sometimes during summer you find you have to whack them in the freezer for 5 minutes just to sort of make them less runny. And then like during cold seasons you sort of have to warm them up sometimes. But yeah, look how much easier that was to move about. That's a really cute colour as well. So I know there was a bit of a mix up with my package. as somebody else's package with Yogi. You know, mistakes happen, as to be expected, it does happen, but I did want a purple polygel, sort of like the red and blue one but in purple. But this one's beautiful. Look at that. Look at all those colours. That's beautiful. I really like that. So I'm just going to give this red one a wipe with some IPA, just to get rid of that sticky layer. And I'm just going to file it down a bit and buff it out a bit, make it all smooth, and test out the top coat. Okay, so there we go, that is the 3 different polygels. I do really like them. They worked absolutely fine once they warmed up a bit. Like that one just was so easier. It's just really cold here at the minute. Like it's 7 degrees outside at the moment, and I don't think it's much warmer in here, to be honest, at the moment. But no, I really like them actually. I definitely really like them. The glitter particles in them are pretty damn good, because like these ones, you can see they're really fine glitters. But the coverage they give is absolutely awesome. Like there's definitely a good amount of coverage going on there. Like you can sort of see around the edges here that it's not as much coverage, but that's not the polygel, that's my application. But they're beautiful, aren't they? They're really nice. With this one, like I said, I wasn't expecting to get this one because I did originally ask for a purple, but I think I actually prefer this one anyway. Look at that. So it's got like a sort of like pinky toned sort of actual gel in it, but the glitter in it is so iridescent. It's kind of like iridescent and holographic. I don't know, it's just beautiful though. It's so beautiful. So that one is 08. That one there. I'm really happy with that one. We have got the blue, which is YAYOGE 07. And then we've got the glittery red, which is YAYOGE 04. I like the fact that with these polygels as well, they weren't really sticky, because I have used some polygels in the past that have been really sticky to work with. No matter how much slip solution or IPA, whatever you choose to use, it's just been really sticky and really hard to work with. These weren't like that at all. They're really good. Glitter polygels are known for being that little bit stiffer than normal polygels anyway, and like I said, it's just simply they were a bit cold, but otherwise they applied really nicely. They've cured absolutely beautifully. I do feel like with the little mini lamp you do need to give it a little bit longer. Like under my LED lamp I would normally cure them for 2 minutes and that's fine, but with the little mini one I did cure them for 3 minutes and it's done the trick. Like they're definitely cured, but I just feel like you need to go a little bit longer, because obviously it's a mini lamp, it's run for a USB, it's a little bit less powerful than the average bigger lamp, but the lamp does work really well for such a little diddy thing. I do actually really like the lamp. In regards to the base coat and top coat, like I said, with the base coat I don't really have a lot to say. I really like the consistency of it and it did cure really nicely, but I don't really know what else to say other than that. But the top coat, I've cured that for 30 seconds and that's cured perfectly. There's no stick to that at all. It's definitely a non-wipe, and like look at it's definitely very glossy. I do think it is a little bit thick, and I personally am not a huge fan of really thick top coats. I do prefer them to be that little bit more runnier, but it is just a matter of preference. I will definitely use it. I do really like it. It's definitely cured beautifully and it's definitely got a nice shine to it. I just prefer the runnier ones, but I know a lot of girls do prefer the thicker ones. Like I said, it's just a matter of preference, but otherwise it is a good top coat. The slip solution works absolutely fine, can't fault that at all. It has a nice mild fragrance to it and it does the job. And like I said, it's a big ass bottle, it's 45ml, so that'll last for ages, so I really like that. The 2 brushes work absolutely fine. Obviously this one's a little bit more fancier and it does come with a spatula as well, and these are sort of the typical kind of brushes that you do get in a polygel kit, but these ones are really good as well. Like I can't fault it, it's done the trick. And I'd say that was probably more of a cheaper sort of polygel brush, but they both worked really well and I'm happy enough with both of them. And then the nail file as well, definitely done the trick. It filed them down nicely. It feels like a good nail file, good quality. So I am overall very happy with this little kit. A massive thank you to YAYOGE for sending this to me. It's nice to come across another company that has good polygel. I've bought a few tubes of polygel off AliExpress that I really just did not like. And otherwise I've been using Saviland or Frenmol polygel. I can never pronounce their name, but I'm pretty sure they're the same company anyway. But I generally always use their polygel, but I'm chuffed that I've tested out the YAYOGE ones and I do like it. I definitely do like it. And I think those colours are absolutely beautiful and Like I said, top coat and base coat work absolutely fine, no problems. The file is really good, the brushes are really good, and the slip solution is good as well. So all round, I'm definitely very happy. And I would recommend this product for sure because they are also a really affordable brand. I do actually also have a discount code for you all today, which is Sammy25. That will get you 25% off of your orders at yayoge.com. That will be in the description box of all of my videos if you'd like to use that. Like I said, that'll get you 25% off of all of your orders. So their products are really affordable anyway, like they've got a massive selection as well, and 25% extra off, like you're getting yourself a real good bargain there. So I'll leave all their details in the description box anyway if you'd like to check them out. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it's all over the place. I always say that, don't I? But I do apologise if it's all over the place. I do try to make these videos functional, but sometimes it just don't happen. But anyways, like I said, I hope you've all enjoyed. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe. Happy New Year to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!